Welcome back to our channel. Building a career takes dedication, and cybersecurity remains one of the most in-demand fields today. If you haven't liked and subscribed yet, please do so. Let's move on to the next 10 questions in this series, and don't forget to check out the previous chapters if you missed them. What is the primary purpose of a security token? A. To store encryption keys. B. To generate random passwords. C. To provide an additional authentication factor. D. To encrypt network traffic. Correct answer. C. To provide an additional authentication factor. Which of the following is not a common type of social engineering attack? A. Phishing. B. Shoulder surfing. C. Firewall bypassing. D. Tailgating. Correct answer. C. Firewall bypassing. What is the purpose of a security audit? A. To uninstall security software. B. To identify security vulnerabilities. C. To increase network speed. D. To create strong passwords. Correct answer. B. To identify security vulnerabilities. Which security measure helps protect against unauthorized access by obscuring passwords or other sensitive data? A. Encryption. B. Obfuscation. C. Compression. D. Encoding. Correct answer. B. Obfuscation. Please pause, take a moment to assimilate or go back if needed. Do you remember the saying, "Practice makes a man perfect"? Your success depends upon how much you learn. What does the term, least privilege, mean in the context of cybersecurity? A. Giving users the fewest possible privileges necessary to perform their job functions. B. Giving users unlimited access to all resources. C. Giving users access to only the most secure resources. D. Giving users the highest level of privileges available. Correct answer. A. Giving users the fewest possible privileges necessary to perform their job functions. Which security measure helps protect data in transit by creating a secure, encrypted connection between two endpoints? A. Antivirus software. B. Intrusion detection system. C. Virtual private network, VPN. D. Proxy server. Correct answer. C. Virtual private network, VPN. What is the purpose of a security incident response plan? A. To ignore security incidents. B. To identify and mitigate security incidents in a timely manner. C. To delay reporting security incidents to authorities. D. To create more security vulnerabilities. Correct answer. B. To identify and mitigate security incidents in a timely manner. Which security principle focuses on ensuring that data is accurate, complete, and trustworthy? A. Confidentiality. B. Integrity. C. Availability. D. Authentication. Correct answer. B. Integrity. What is the purpose of a security patch? A. To uninstall security software. B. To identify security vulnerabilities. C. To update software and systems to fix known vulnerabilities. D. To slow down network traffic. Correct answer. C. To update software and systems to fix known vulnerabilities. What is the term for a software vulnerability that allows an attacker to execute arbitrary code on a target system? A. Buffer overflow. B. SQL injection. C. Cross-site scripting. D. Remote code execution. Correct answer. D. Remote code execution. Thank you for watching. If you have not liked or subscribed, please do so now. It means a lot to us. Stay tuned to next topic on your journey to a demanding career in cybersecurity. Good luck.